Hi, GC News. Mima Obia Akwaba. I had the latest and hot news and Kwana Midi Bremo. Nasa wunya subscribe to the channel na necessary over subscribe. Udi obea say over click the subscribe button. Now wa belly notification no. Where is our video for be upload no. So once ever can be. I thought we are now like video no my nothing. Share my offer for so na wonye bi na wo hwe. Afriyie nhwe eye ensema beto ye prof enti ensema e koso
mantle over to a non-account person, preferably from the north, under whose presidency we could secure the maturity of our takeover project.
I in the never bar the cool bet and say ye for this plan. I didn't.
Well, somebody more serious or more serious. Someone is serious or more serious. They want to take over. They want to be in total control. Look, Akufo from Ashanti region by Ubia can say Akufo Amamu Efe Eye Kama Ene NDC New Class Soria Ochimiko Akufo Kokosrano no Akoko Futu Ufisa Mamono Anya Papa and Gombit Makosa. Ubia Sigana no Akufo was saying near me can was here more than said Santinipi or Babian, you bet my wicketian. Na Gyamfi ubia onye akani emedi party denim. Nemum Santi no be free a tiffy man honoma, a yen no for honoma, and cadono yepa. Na Sadi Pan Anna obebedi o mampenia sa achim projecti. Or mubetimi achieve. Wow. Yeah, cop MPP primaries na Asante for in Num Adnanekamu. That's why Ashanti region every reject woman. Na sa agrimpo we na eto mwachi na Akufo Addo from akoshe dem ana you know ana yanya John Mahama beka se ai
Sam come no catch you.
Make na me no hobby na no oka. That mean hobby.
Oh my God, dear bread.
That mean hobby. But yeah, Omokeka Asante for leaders, you know, majority leader, no money or more national original term my name, or more Kasa Ebamuno, or Mokeka no, actually. Eti yen Asante for the free because Omnim Asante for any thing. Or more bar, or more Mapan, and Masadi Wemba. So many them. Eti president there, what are you president? Okase mpuna na April.
Na hotne.
Yeah.
Party ye beka say NPP party a chichiri free Asante memu. E na ko bitimi etimi nya ahoden ka say ye nyimfiri o munsem na ampa so say de wo kan say egina so de agye dia as a gradually omo gin so ampa.
Entinam dika bisa wo say sa buku e wanya bia. Me soft copy na me amount. Obi a wo tie ye bia no. Opa. One throw. What is soft copy number one time from page 1 to the last page. No one who said yesterday. On what can I say? I work at Asante man. Because I want to know. Me say Ashanti Kingdom are powerful. The whole world, kingdoms are of Africa pe Ashanti Kingdom. Sure. Queen Elizabeth Wuye or Mukwaye. No more free kingdoms. Africa Kingdom any friend. Ashanti Kingdom. Now, Otumfo drew you know, or take total control. One.
Sure.
Ashanti Kingdom ye powerful. And you know, hey, Nankasi say yes so your kingdom ye powerful. But and Nusa say Sunday dia. Yes, and the political powers in the Sako Momoa and ye dear Yiramura. Look, Akufo Addo say, or more cost roba from Bawumia Belusu. The next primaries, Tienya Mekano, the next primaries will be free Eastern region. What take you over? Write today's date down. Write today's date down.
Akufo Addo was so Bawumia and say, oh, we will never to a human person or say, I always will lose.
When you need patrimoine, what home boy Freda?
My home be that.
Bo fresi wa uhum abayum. Won say bofra beto da eya na ye white. Enyi no na change ebra. Enti say si honum na wo mpa mu a wontimi hu say abane wo mu ne ye white and I say ye black. What you say?
Yeah, sure.
Sa semu ya making kan wa hai. Enyam yo hwe ne what throw sa forward your friend Ofori Atta. Me din you Ofori Atta.
Okay.
Me the Hopeson Adorye Adoye. Me free angno. Me paramount chief the talk be 3. It's all there then. And tell them na me throw ye. Enti wo motimi ayusu adwen kese. E dia beat the whole Ashanti. Eti wo bi te say alanchemante ofri Ashanti region. Yes ye empeno. Ye empeno. Nipa 100 and something e koto aba. Na mu say sipe e na toma omo anga so mu nipa. Ye de ni na kosrem. Na power do ba na say wo pe bibia wo be kosrem na wo be ba no. Wo be hu say on sa be kan.
So it means after so already book and American hono. Abraham and Lucy, you know. So like or train hono. And I saw Santifano Mokahuna, Obia, Antoine Pub Amedino. I know mama.
And then mama because of this plan. Omushia, Omsa Landie. Or no, only no what DP. And tia didn't do any more bebre. Or more chrono no one you be a bo. What in Allen's political history? Akufo Abreso mfie nwotwe, Akufo Addo Abreso a watena mu mfie nso. What in ho asem da? Enso nkrofo bi o ha, o kasi asi o mo ne asi kira ira o porta ni abo mudin. O tesi asi o anasa Kwaku Yese ni abo mudin. O tesi asi ye adubu ahe, Kwaku Yese ni abo mudin eni ade. Anan what bi da? Ntibida. Enti ane impia ni si nche ye probi oba ni na betima kobo kro no bi.
Right, you best about yen share GTP no.
Ati me run it up.
Okay.
Was it to be specific? We need to strengthen our effort to control the mineral resources. Munjo, to control the mineral resources as well as the electricity and water institutions. Tambe no mode electricity ma PDS. Anya Akufo Addo Panic.
Sure, PDS.
Ano ni atrashe ha no. Nyankopon na ya adom. Ana Peter Mawu be ka se ade ne ye scam. E ko ye he, an ye sang vete ye. Nka abusuaku afa. Chala itini ato e ko hwe nkrofo bi ma. Eni ade. So, eti Ashanti man mo ma mo ni na ho. Ade no mo ya no eye more of tribal than politics. Ade no mo ya no eye more of tribal than politics. Wo mo anka so bubu a expose wo mo. Eti mo de hwe je Akufo o si pro from market. Hwe that beautiful edifice.
Last me ko na me ra.
Edwa bi gira ho pa chese o ko kusi bo ho duma obenya bi o. Ana power sesare NDC aba 8 years oban for Mensah. Na je Akufo party ankasa sampa. 8 years. Monti manye. Moti hodum. No mo dada mo na mutie. Hey,
we nyina ka ho.
Ah. Na ye ka no hwe. Sadi wo ho. Onim. As I said, me share that betna from have 1 week. Now you review this document in here. You are mining companies are or more titty. And we're yin na other was every district baby go to Wobiano or more titty companies are a walk book you. Ah, yeah, cow, ye see galamsey, I will put on Lidinaya Zan or Mubois. Or Mubois. Or more ye, or more cheesy can go baby. And they are more ma, young war. Go to the heaven or by national reading.
Sure.
What you want or more triple. Mumma ebe bre, no mumma e dide. This is it, and yambe. And I'm trust I deal with. Let's see, your best last antimine. Mumma money na ho. Moamudi womb. Why you bold? What's it look? Yentna sa nsɛmhunu we ho. Eti nyanka sa meba. Beba be ofa me ho. Independent presidential candidate. Monto abama me ni ansesa o my Ghana. Alantremante be ye president a mu be hu how Ashanti will open. Je Akufo ba ye hu ye. Say no open Ashanti. Ye hu ye. Na Ashanti region hwe ehwo Kumase na yi traffic light here ba kope. Na sikejetia that time run about. Odo kraso na enya adwuma. Je Akufo ba ya fe hu ba bia say yi na sisi we. Ye kwan asafo can say interchange ni ye no ye we no ye so full line ni e kai ka ho. Wa yes abi we nyina hwe hospitals ahodo a Euro projects or the bar region mu. Wo sha ase went me Andrew Babia ana MPP fra bam when this by 8 years omni na mu kwasa MPP asaba 8 years ye dance around it. Hey, mama mani na ho
Akechi.
Mama mani na ho
Akechi.
Moya ye de ye wo ye tu mu. Ye wo tu mu. Hey, o man e bebro. Mo sesa Mensah no. Mo aso mo de wom, mo ba wom. Mo ba wom. Mo sesa Mensah no. Mo de ba, ye se ade bibia wo fie na de papa ye je. Obi anso mfa ni sabonkum nkyere mi ba grom kwayo se fie kwayo se den yo. So mo de je no. Eti ye besere mo.
Now the plans ni bi na.
Ye ko ka dey say the great transformation plan. Yeah. To the GTP. GTP no akwa say meka manifesto anaman for betiase. Okay. Akwa say manifesto. Na we no go beyond the manifesto because opa for MPP ni NDC manifestos. What they pick 2020 the enquansa owa. Let's check it. We'll do this, we'll do that, we'll do this, we'll do that. And one no. Solutions be any volume. Our body bear yet ni or more person or more no. But where the Alan or the solutions, fire or befaso at the aye. Then see the documentation was near your presidency here and our castle will follow ya. Ghana, it be free baby your way. I compare pencil for. Now, and no, and the forward of GTP no. The power Troy, your friend of Bafo Doctor or say, share my brain through the 6 or 2 for my rehine. Okay. Or no natural, the forward of the GTP. Second division. What I say, Alan, a quachia or 2 for. What's Alan? Yankupon Namiwo Yankupon, and I'm the bomb pie at Awachi, Nam the Secret, and so at Awachi. Bisa penibia se 2 for Casa of Nature. And now 2 for you, or more going out is a Wakasa 70 pay. So the Sigajata will be a apart from Alan Kyeremanteng. Look, you were Juso. A Juso Jabe, Asase, Kakra, Alan, Ababe Gyamfi na Nanomo. Okay. Aya de Babaye Kumase Industrial City. World Bank, Ama $30 million. Alan, a done for partner South Korea government. South Korea government ye meka wode Akufo Addo US in the last year or the free office. The free US no far South Korea and wode president no kokodin omo. Ekwa president who Mensah potomo $100 million. Wow. Enti wo hwa o ma hyase a omo eye aduma e wasase no so. Industrial city. Alan na niswadi hu for Ashanti region. First Nanka ka industrial city a obia beka se eyetema. Yeah. But factories ni ade a wode ba aha no. Tema de no enya mu 1/5 gra. A big project. Enti bibia ewo ho bia no. Say you still a one particular line. Next so sa. Ofri ho na say ye closer saso. Enti say wo ko na say o ka say o me kwakọ hwe baby a ye ntuma enya fe na wo firi ayi so fa ni sei kokọ na we no ye ka say ntuma line wo duru ho no a ekonyina ye ntuma. That is what is bringing to Ashanti. Na sade no ba ha sei ya nduma e de be ma emrante ne mabawa a omo wa ha sei edwe so man eye kru a like amanfo school nimdie for wa ha sei because more university wa here wadi bra obetima Nantiako University every day no aba eti mwako school as so much titifi adwuma ni ho eti sa industrial city eye adwuma just imagine ni padodo mpako ye adwuma ho no so woni ete no eti so obi kita adwini sei na wo de on person ba beji o man animu a ni papo fro ba ka se oh we Alan start here o sua ye nto aso no wa yi nani na da ho no sa mo fa Alan emra no man be ye industrial city no hwe wachiche o man animu Ashanti region or no industrial hub.
Okay.
Over the 5 northern regions are a food basket for Africa.
Okay.
Just a Kriayon Kasano, a whole and attention.
And then not for Ghana.
No, for Africa. As you see a jet miane, stone miane, na Africa country be a Pebiani or Bagana Babeto. It's a say Yabeko, Ukraine, Yabeko, Vietnam, near the Akoto to Tomu near the Adeno. It should be in Ghana. No mama beto no mo depo oko western regional petrochemical ye two oil wo honum anything petrochemical western region oba central region honum ba be financial hub honum ne ba be tisi all financial institutions akese wo honum oba greater Accra ba be ye can say free port enclave busy papa. Oko Volta regional skills training and innovation hub. Eti ensanoduma ti ade ensa yetse ni ne takeka ho. Oko Volta regional ho se port ne ho nkonya carpentry ne ho sanwamba ni dina no. The bibia skill training bia no Volta region. Eti so oba be school a for skills school kaka kapa work with you for that. Oko Eastern regional research ana ode kokonum. Eti wa zoni bebia de ebe kokonum. Eti say obi pe anything about factories or Ashanti region.
Yo iti for Mikao say JCT so na wa hebo. Se we na subscribe ya. Let's just say obi mo dey na subscribe na like video no that feel so wa share ma offer so any bi na wa hwe. Also betimi Achere working Afriyie and some way now I will comment box in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.